Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. The nutritionist spoke about the most harmful food at a remote work. For people forced to work remotely during a pandemic, it is better to cook their own food and adhere to the Mediterranean cuisine. On the contrary, ordering ready-made meals at home is not worth it, since there is a high probability that the product will not be very healthy. Nutritionist, gastroenterologist Nuria Dianova told about this on the air of Sputnik Radio. According to the expert, ready-made meals are usually too high in calories. Moreover, the process of their preparation cannot be controlled. To avoid unpleasant consequences, fast food is allowed to be consumed once a year. If you sit at home and eat fast food all the time, then you will then have to deal not only with nutritionists, but also surgeons. According to the gastroenterologist, if you order food, you should give preference to Mediterranean cuisine with vegetables and seafood. They contain a lot of fiber, although sometimes there is an excess of vegetable fats. Various pies and pizzas on self-isolation can lead to fullness. When combined with alcohol, fast food can cause attacks of pancreatitis, which is manifested by very severe abdominal pain. This is especially dangerous if there are gallstones, the doctor explained. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.